How to fix Facebook Messenger video and audio calls not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, we're tackling a frustrating problem that many iPhone users might encounter: Facebook Messenger video and audio calls not working. If you're trying to connect with friends or family and the calls just aren't going through, don't worry, we've got the solutions. So, the first one is sometimes other apps running in the background can interfere with the Messenger function. So, make sure that you close all the apps. And next, you need to head over to settings, go to the search bar at the bottom, and then search for Messenger. And then make sure that you have given camera and microphone access to your Messenger. If not, make sure that you toggle both of those on. You can just try toggling it off if it's already on, and toggle it on again. Do the same with camera. And next solution is come back, head over to general, and then go to software update and make sure that you update your iOS to the latest version, because outdated software can also cause these glitches. I hope one of these solutions helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.